Good evening, guys. This is Tony Cantu with dittmar Road in Austin, Texas. Here comes Southbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 21 train. This one coming in after some lengthy freight train delays here, but looks like there's some freight trains in Kyle and San Marcos. And here it comes. Alright, you guys, that's Southbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 21. I was being told there's going to be a northbound train from Kyle. It's going to be a little while till it gets here, but I'll track her down and stuff right after the Amtrak gets by. So let's put in about 30-40 minutes for the Kyle train to get here, and then we'll see you by then. Bye bye.